Hey guys, I'm Dipankar back with another video, and today I have MevoFit Play N100. It is a neckband style earphone. The MRP of this product is Rs 4000, but you can easily get it for less than Rs 3000 from different online stores. I have been using this earphone for around a week, and based on my experience, I will be sharing my review of MevoFit Play N100, but before that, let me show you the unboxing. MevoFit Play N100 is a neckband earphones. Keep the neckband around your neck and it stays there without slipping to any side. The ends of the neckband are plastic connected with a thick rubber band. It is flexible, but it is of high quality to be durable. The right end of the neckband has a button to turn it on or off. Basically, it is a multifunctional button. Press and hold it to turn the device on. When you have an incoming call, short press to answer the call. When you don't want to answer the call, long press the button. Short press to disconnect the call when you are on the call. If you want to recall the last dialed number, double press the multifunction button. The inner side of the right end has a micro USB port for charging it, a microphone and a tiny LED light. The outer side has a volume rocker that can also be used for playing next or previous song by double pressing. It is impressive in terms of build quality and offers comfortable fitting. The company just mentioned the sweat resistance but didn't clearly say what IP rating it has. I used it while running and workout. I also tested it by exposing into minor water and it is still working fine. Ear tips are connected to the band via a thin wire. The ear tips also have a magnet to lock them together when you are not using it, so they will not hang around to interrupt you. You also get extra earbuds. For me, the default one was the perfect fit. Sound quality is really good and the output is well balanced. I tested it with several kinds of songs and it does a good job in everything you would like to listen. It has a good bass response and wide sound stage. Highs, mids and lows, everything are very good. It is an in-ear type earphones, so noise isolation is also good. Even if you are in the traffic or any other kind of crowded environment, the noise around you will not affect your music experience. The only thing that I didn't like was sound leakage. When you are listening to a song on the loud volume, a person sitting next to you can clearly hear the song being played. It features Bluetooth 4.1 connectivity and you can pair it with two devices at the same time, so you can keep it connected with your laptop and mobile phone both at the same time. When you receive a call, it speaks the phone number calling you and notifies you about the incoming call. I have already told you how to control calls using the multifunction key located on the right edge of the neckband. The built-in microphone works well and captures your voice by avoiding most of the noise around. It packs 170 mAh battery that performs well. You can easily get around 10 to 12 hours of music playback. I usually listen to on around 70% of the volume throughout the testing. Sometimes I also used it for calls in between. If you are using it mostly on the louder volume, the battery backup will be of around 8 to 9 hours. The battery also takes less than 2 hours in fully charging. MevoFit Play N100 is a good neckband earphone that delivers good music. The build quality is good and it is really comfortable. The sound quality is also really good and good battery life further improves the experience. Considering the performance and price, this neckband earphone is a recommended one from my side. I tried to cover everything in this review. If you still have anything to ask, you can leave it in the comment. That's it for this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you have not already subscribed. Thanks for watching this video. See you guys in the next one.